Hi guys, I want to share with you this hardware docking station. Now they have a 2-slot. This is for support storage device. What's compatible? Well, this compatible, you can show right here, is SATA 3.5-inch HDD, 2.5-inch, and 2.5-inch SSD. So right now I have the SSD right now, and it's pretty cool. All you need this in the back. See, come with a 2 cable, the power and the power right here, and the USB cable plug into your computer. So you can have the switch on, the light off, and then switch on, switch off. So very cool. Now let me turn off the light. You can see, switch it off. That's light, cool light. Yeah. So when the cable coming in, and the thing about this cable, and I really like because they have USB and USB-C come together. So pretty awesome. When I plug it in, 64 gig, amazing. Love it. If you run out of storage space, this is it. What a fantastic product. I love it so much.